Curd and Honey Face Pack. This face pack is suitable for normal to dry skin types. 1 tablespoon of curd. Curd is one of the most common skincare ingredients used by women. It is readily available, feels incredibly soothing on the skin, and helps to improve skin quality. Curd keeps skin issues at bay by maintaining its elasticity and improving brightness. This yogurt face mask is a great skin brightening home remedy for those who have dull skin, ideal for naturally making skin glow. 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey has immense amounts of soothing, therapeutic, and moisturizing properties. With normal to dry skin types may use this mask. Honey contains antimicrobial and antioxidant properties that may help your skin. This honey face pack will instantly make your face glow and also make your skin soft and supple. Curd and honey to it and mix them well until you get a smooth and consistent mixture. It is a natural ingredient which removes dead skin cells and keeps your skin bright. As well, moisturize your skin, making it soft and smooth. Honey contains antimicrobial and antioxidant properties that may help your skin to get natural glow. This face pack helps in skin brightening as it evens out your skin tone. It also helps to lighten the skin and get rid of tan that causes wrinkles and acne. Add few drops glycerin. Glycerin can help moisturize and protect the skin. Makes your skin look brighter naturally. It also helps in enhancing the complexion by lightening it. It also reduces the appearance of wrinkles, giving you smoother and younger looking skin. It helps to relieve dryness and make the skin soft and smooth. To know about some lesser known benefits of glycerin. Its moisturizing properties helps plump up skin and reduce fine lines and wrinkles as well. Helps in retaining the skin water and also good for fighting wrinkles, dark spots, and skin lightening. Glycerin provides the way for the production of fresh, healthy skin cells by dissolving the protein in dead skin cells and eliminating them from our skin. Using as part of their regular cleansing, toning, and moisturizing skincare routine. Apply it to the face. Helps reduce wrinkles and dullness, giving you a youthful glow in just 2 months. Honey has strong therapeutic and moisturizing properties. Keep it for about 20 minutes. Wash the pack with normal water. Do this weekly thrice for better results.